What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Cam Jack here. In my last video I spoke about something called dropshipping, and in this video I'm going to be talking about something called Forex. I'm going to be talking about Forex trading and how I do Forex trading and what I use to learn how to do Forex trading. Yes, I'm sporting this awesome moustache at the moment. Don't worry, it's not going to stay. It's just a quarantine moustache, but yeah, thought it would be fun to grow it out. Anyways, let's get back into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a platform called it's called Webtrader. It's done by Standard Bank, and it's something that I've used to start learning how to do Forex trading. And what's really awesome about it is they actually give you simulated money. So they give you $100,000 of simulated money, and you are able to go and do Forex trading. What's awesome on top of that is that you can also trade commodities, and you can also trade different stocks and shares from around the world, such as Alphabet or Amazon, which is really cool. You know, you have the availability to do that. Yes, Standard Bank is something in South Africa, which is really awesome. That's helpful for all of us South Africans out there. But yeah, anyways, today I'm going to be showing you the platform, and I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks on how I started Forex trading. So yeah, if you're interested, please stick around. Okay, cool. So now, as you can see, I'm on the Standard Bank Webtrader demo app, and this is what it looks like. This is the user interface, which I think is really cool because you can have your watch list over here, where you can add different instruments. You can add whatever you want to look at. I used to have the US dollar versus the euro over here, but I decided just to stick to one currency and just trade in one currency. And yeah, then over here on this side you get all your different graphs, so you can actually pick which graph you want, but I prefer to stick with the candlestick graph, as you can see that if it's a bull or a bear market. And when I get into the predictions and what to look for in terms of Forex, when I get into that, you will be wanting to use this graph. Anyway, so what's also really cool about this is in Forex you get something called stop loss and a profit limit take. Don't know if that's the correct term, but that's what I call it. Basically what the stop loss is once you've made a certain loss on the currency that you bet on, if you decide to go short or long, this will take the loss at that price. So let's say you're losing 1,000 Rand and you don't want to lose any more than that, and you don't know if you're going to make money off of that. You take the stop loss, and there you go. Then you get the profit limit over here, so that's the limit that it can hit before you take the profits out. So usually, you know, you can set that quite high, whatever you sort of feel like. If you think, okay, cool, the Rand is going to get to 1836 and you've bought at 1835, you put that in there, and then you'll see how much profit you'll get back. So when I first started Forex trading, I wasn't doing very well. I lost $500 of the 100,000 of the simulated money that you get, which doesn't bode very well, especially if I'm making a YouTube video out of this. But fortunately, I turned my fortunes around and I actually made $500, sorry, which I was really chuffed about. And obviously, the more you practice, the more you learn, the better you get at it. It's like anything. But yeah, as I said, I really enjoy this. And next, I'll explain a few ways in which you can see, you know, is the Rand going to go up, or is the dollar going to go up? Should I go short? Should I go long? I'll show you what to look out for. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to get into the tips and tricks that I've used and the methodology that I use for Forex, and how I've been fairly successful with it. So yeah, let's just get straight into that. So first of all, you need to define your goal. You need to decide, okay, how much am I going to make off Forex? How much am I going to invest into Forex? You know, how much time am I going to spend there? How much research am I going to do? Because that's the issue, is it's all about the research. And you have to understand what's going on, and you have to decide, okay, cool, now's the time to buy, or now is the time to sell. So yeah, then the next step is obviously you need to choose your methodology, and you need to stick to that. And on weekends, when the markets are closed, you always need to reevaluate your strategy and the methodology that you've picked to use, and see, you know, is it working, is it not working? And you actually need to take all the profits that you've made and all the losses that you've made and compare the two, and see where you went wrong, and see, you know, did I make money this week, or did I actually lose money this week? Because that's the whole thing, is did you make money or did you lose money? Then the next thing is you need to treat your money as if you're going to use it to have a big party. And you have to decide, oh, am I going to buy that pretty girl over there a drink? Or will she not talk to me? You need to treat your money like that, or you need to treat it as if you're going to go on holiday. So what I mean by that is, yes, it's important, but you need to know that you need to spend it to have a good time. And that's the whole issue with Forex is, if I spend this, am I going to get a good time out of it? So if I bet that the dollar's going to go up and I'm wrong, you're wrong, Okay, it was a hit and a miss. It's like going tobogganing. Is it going to be fun or is it going to be boring? You don't know until you try it. That's the whole thing with Forex, is that's how you need to treat your money, and that's how you need to decide, are you going to buy or are you going to sell? So yeah, now I'm going to show you a few methods that I use. Okay, cool. So this is the first strategy that I'm going to show you guys. This is the strategy that I started off with. This is called the Pinball trading strategy. This is really awesome. You can see it up here, Forex Pinball trading. So this is actually a photo that I've taken off the dailypriceaction.com website. I use this website for learning how to trade in the first place. It was really awesome. And I'm going to give a brief explanation of how the pinball trading strategy works, and this will be the only thing that I'll be explaining. This is really easy, let's just put it that way, because it's such an obvious pattern. You can see that so I think this was the dollar, the Canadian dollar versus the pound. And you can see here that the pound was going up against the Canadian dollar, and there was some resistance back from the Canadian dollar, then the pound carried on going up, and then there was more resistance. Let me show you the bigger graph so you guys can see more what I'm talking about. So as you can see here, it was sort of an upward trend, and you can see, so this one over here and that one over there, this was the resistance from the Canadian dollar, and then there was a huge upward trend in the British pound. This is something that you guys need to look for, especially on the graphs. It might take you some time to start noticing these things, but once you do, it's really awesome. You can see that, as I said, the market went upwards, then resistance, a little bit of upward movement, more resistance, and then it shot upward for another 370 pips, I think. This is one of the strategies. It's the most basic strategy you can use, and it's really awesome for beginners. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please can you comment down below and subscribe, and please go turn on that bell button so that you can see when I post more videos, and of course please like the video. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate those of you who stuck out to the end of this video. So yeah, thank you.